Hello everyone and welcome to my channel where we work on making your English even better. In my 10 years of teaching English, I have often seen students struggle with sounding too direct or unintentionally rude in everyday situations. So today we're going to address 10 common scenarios where this happens, and I'll show you how to handle them smoothly and politely. Imagine that you're busy and someone interrupts you. "I'm busy, go away," is what you don't say. What you say is, "Sorry, I'm in the middle of something. Could we catch up later?" You didn't hear what your friend said. "What?" That may come across as slightly rude. There is a better way to say it. "Come again?" I use it all the time. And more formal, longer version. "Sorry, could you please repeat that?" Sometimes when we disagree with someone, we want to say, "You're wrong." It sounds rude, and actually when I hear it, I want to argue even more. So, how can you say it differently? "I'm afraid I can't agree with you on this." And I've got a funny one for you. Imagine you're talking to a person who believes that the Earth is flat. What would you say to them? "I'm afraid there is no scientific evidence to support your opinion." Very diplomatic. You are at the restaurant and you want to order a burger. Instead of saying, "I want a burger," which would be rude, you can say, "Could I have a burger, please?" It's not polite to say, "I want," at the restaurant. Imagine you're trying to get through a busy street and someone is in your way. Instead of shouting, "Get out of my way, move it," you can say, "Could I get by, please?" "Excuse me, could I get through here?" And if people or objects are too close to each other, "Sorry, can I squeeze by?" You are a guest and your friend serves you a dish that tastes horrible. Obviously, you can't say, "This dish is disgusting." It's a tough situation. Probably I wouldn't even say anything and just quietly eat it. But if you have to say something, you can say, "I have just realized I'm not that hungry." Just kidding. Just kidding, it's a joke. Don't say that. What you can say though is, "Sorry, this dish is a bit too spicy for my taste," or "This dish is a little bit too salty for my taste." If someone shares an idea that you don't think will work, instead of saying, "That's a stupid idea," try, "That's not the best idea," or "I'm sure we can come up with a better idea." If you see that a friend seems upset or irritated and is acting rude, instead of saying, "What's your problem?" you might say, "Is everything okay? You seem upset. Can I help you?" Usually people calm down after that and tell you what upsets them. People like giving us advice even when we didn't ask them. You might want to say, "I don't care what you think," but you don't have to be rude. Just thank them and do it your way. I'll keep it in mind. Thanks. And the last but not least, you see a friend in a place where you didn't expect to see them. You are surprised. You say, "What are you doing here?" That may sound rude. You could express your surprise better. "What a coincidence! What brings you here?" "Imagine running into you here. How are you?" And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more English tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!